Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will explore one of Africa's iconic animals, the zebra. Zebras are one of the most recognizable and distinctive animals in Africa due to their unique black and white striped coats. There are three main species of zebras: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and Grevy's zebra. Each species has its own unique characteristics, but they all share the common feature of striking black and white stripes. These stripes are not only beautiful but also play an important role in protecting and helping zebras survive in their natural environment. The plains zebra, also known as Burchell's zebra, is the most common and widely distributed species. They live in grasslands, savannas, and lowlands from southern Sudan and southern Ethiopia, all the way down to eastern South Africa. Plains zebras usually live in large herds that can number in the hundreds, and they migrate seasonally in search of food and water. The plains zebra's coat has alternating black and white stripes, and each individual has a unique stripe pattern, much like human fingerprints. The mountain zebra is a species adapted to more rugged terrain, typically found in mountainous and rocky areas of southern and western Namibia, and western South Africa. They have thicker coats and more defined black and white stripes, which help them cope with the cold and high-altitude regions. Mountain zebras often live in small groups, with strong social bonds and a leader that guides the group. Grevy's zebra, the largest of the three species, primarily inhabits northern Kenya and southern Ethiopia. They have more densely packed stripes and larger ears compared to other species. Grevy's zebras often live alone or in small groups and are better adapted to arid conditions than other zebra species. They can travel long distances in search of water and food. One of the most intriguing questions about zebras is why they have black and white stripes. There are many theories, including that the stripes help them camouflage in their natural environment, avoid insect bites, and regulate body temperature. The stripes may also help zebras recognize each other and create visual confusion for predators when they move in herds. Zebras are herbivores, and their diet mainly consists of grass, leaves, and herbs. They are capable of eating a variety of plants and often choose young, tender, and nutritious grasses. This diverse diet helps zebras survive in different environments. Zebras are an important part of the African ecosystem, playing a role in maintaining the balance and biodiversity of the region. However, zebras are facing many challenges, including habitat loss due to human activities and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts are being made to protect these animals and ensure their continued existence in the wild. The social behavior and habits of zebras are also complex and fascinating. They communicate with each other through sounds, gestures, and body signals. Zebra mothers play a crucial role in caring for and protecting their young, forming strong bonds with their offspring to ensure they grow up safely. In summary, zebras are amazing and biologically rich animals with many remarkable characteristics and behaviors. They not only beautify the African landscape but also contribute significantly to the biodiversity and ecological balance of the region. The plains zebra, also known as Burchell's zebra, Equus quagga, is the most common and widely distributed zebra species in Africa. They primarily inhabit grasslands, savannas, and lowland areas from southern Sudan and southern Ethiopia, all the way down to eastern South Africa. Plains zebras typically live in large herds, which can number in the hundreds, and they migrate seasonally in search of food and water. The coat of the plains zebra features distinctive alternating black and white stripes, with each individual having a unique stripe pattern, much like human fingerprints. These stripes not only help zebras camouflage themselves from predators but also aid in recognizing and communicating with each other within the herd. The diet of plains zebras mainly consists of grass, but they also eat leaves and herbs. With the ability to consume various types of vegetation, plains zebras can adapt to different environments. They usually prefer young, tender, and nutritious grasses. Plains zebras play a crucial role in the African grassland ecosystem, helping to maintain ecological balance by controlling the growth of vegetation and providing a food source for predators. However, plains zebras are also facing the threat of habitat loss and illegal hunting. The mountain zebra, Equus zebra, is a species adapted to rugged terrains, primarily found in mountainous and rocky areas of southern and western Namibia, and western South Africa. There are two main subspecies of the mountain zebra: the Cape mountain zebra and Hartmann's mountain zebra. They have thicker coats and more pronounced black and white stripes compared to other zebra species. which help them withstand the cold and harsh conditions of high-altitude regions. Mountain zebras typically live in small groups with strong social bonds, led by a dominant stallion. They have a strong territorial instinct, often following specific trails and returning to the same areas to forage for food. Their diet mainly consists of grass, but they also eat leaves, bark, and various herbs when necessary. One of the standout features of mountain zebras is their ability to climb and move agilely on mountainous terrain. Their strong legs and sturdy hooves provide excellent grip on rocky surfaces, allowing them to navigate easily through difficult areas. Additionally, mountain zebras have a greater tolerance for water scarcity than many other species, enabling them to survive in arid environments. Mountain zebras are currently facing several threats, including habitat loss due to human activities and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this species, such as establishing reserves and special protected areas. The survival of mountain zebras is crucial not only for local ecosystems but also as an important part of the global natural heritage. Grévy's zebra, Equus grévy, is the largest zebra species, named after French President Jules Grévy. They inhabit northern Kenya and southern Ethiopia, thriving in arid regions. Distinguished by their densely packed, narrow stripes, large ears, and slender bodies, these stripes offer camouflage and individual recognition, possibly aiding in temperature regulation by creating cooling air currents. Unlike other zebras, Grévy's zebras live solitary or in small groups, traveling long distances for water and food, mainly grasses. Their exceptional tolerance for water scarcity helps them survive in harsh environments. However, Grévy's zebras face significant threats, including habitat loss from human activities like overgrazing and competition for water. Illegal hunting for their skins also poses a danger. With only about 2,000 individuals remaining, they are the most endangered zebra species. Conservation efforts include establishing reserves, protecting water sources, and educating communities on their importance. The survival of Grévy's zebras is vital for the African ecosystem and symbolizes global biodiversity and conservation efforts. The black and white stripes of zebras are not only distinctive but also serve important functions. These stripes help zebras camouflage in their natural environment and confuse predators when they move in herds. Additionally, the stripes facilitate individual recognition among zebras and may help regulate body temperature by creating cooling air currents when the wind blows. Some studies suggest that the stripes might also deter biting insects. Zebras have high social behavior, living in herds to protect each other from predators. They communicate through sounds, gestures, and body language. Zebra mothers form strong bonds with their young, carefully nurturing and protecting them. The cohesion within the herd enhances safety and survival in the harsh wild. Zebras face numerous challenges such as habitat loss due to urbanization and overgrazing, as well as illegal hunting. Conservation efforts have led to the establishment of reserves and protected areas. These efforts include monitoring populations, safeguarding water sources, and educating local communities on the importance of zebra conservation. Thank you for watching today's video. African zebras are not only visually stunning but also hold many mysteries and fascinating facts. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss out on other exciting nature exploration videos. Goodbye and see you next time.